Kendra, thanks. Some new details tonight. The Spartanburg County Coroner's Office issued a warning about their recent drug trends. And we want to share this with you because it's not just affecting substance abusers, but first-time users too.
Yeah, the coroner is saying there are some look-alike pills that could be popping up in your neighborhood by accident from people buying them off the streets, but they're laced with something dangerous that could kill you. Tresia Bowles is in Spartanburg with more.
These pills have the same color, shape, and stamp as pills you might take for pain or anxiety. But if you get it from the wrong place, it can add to the growing list of accidental deaths in Spartanburg County.
Out there experimenting, I got hooked on crack cocaine for 13 years of my life.
Sean Parker now helps others recover in Spartanburg County, just like treatment centers, but the coroner's office is trying to warn people before it gets that far.
There's more things out there that people are trying to get high off of than when I was out there. So I just pray that they don't try it, because it's not a road that you want to go down, because it's hard to turn around once you get on that road.
And that road is dangerous. Coroner Rusty Clevenger says overdoses are outweighing traffic fatalities, and he's seeing a lot of first-time users with ages ranging from 16 to 60. Christine Higdon is the director of the Palmetto, Carolina Treatment Center in Duncan.
There has been an increase in use due to the pandemic. As a result, we have seen an increase, luckily, in people seeking treatment.
Clevenger says people think these pills off the street are safe, but they're killing people. And he's warning everyone to only take doctor's prescriptions and pick them up from a pharmacy only. And he says don't take from someone who just hands drugs to you.
Fentanyl is in a lot of various drugs. It's not just in heroin or opiates. We've seen it in cocaine, marijuana, across the board.
Clevenger says some are shaped correctly, stamped correctly, and they're the right color, but they're not the real pill, or they're laced with something else. So Parker says stay away and don't be afraid to get help.
I believe in recovery because I'm going to be in recovery for the rest of my life.
And Parker hosted a meeting tonight with his program called Celebrate Recovery through his church, and they have them all around the upstate. You can check them out on the Celebrate Recovery website, and Palmetto, Carolina is also available for help. Reporting in Duncan, Tresia Bowles, Fox Carolina News.
That news conference comes as Governor McMaster signed a new bill into law requiring doctors in the state to offer a prescription for Narcan for patients who use opioids if they can meet certain criteria. The law says naloxone can be prescribed if patients meet at least one of the three criteria. If prescription dosage for the patient is 50 or more morphine milligram equivalent of an opioid medication per day. If an opioid medication is prescribed currently with a prescription, or if the patient presents an increased risk for overdose. We have all of this information at foxcarolina.com. All new